Yeah guys, so I'm just bringing an update video of the necklace. Still pretty shiny. At the time I bought this, GusVilla probably wasn't as recognizable as it is today. What's up guys, just wanted to do a quick update on this GusVilla's 10mm Cuban link silver 995 chain. It's pretty much still looking the same, holding up really good. I have the bracelet here from Clocks and Colors next to it, just to give you guys a little bit of a comparison of it. Alright, so this is the Clocks and Colors, and this is the GusVilla's. I've been wearing this chain for quite some time, and it's been holding up pretty good. Still shiny. Now this necklace did get a little bit of tarnish on it, mainly around the lock. I mean, it's off now, but silver tarnishes and everything, so that's just something everybody knows. After purchasing this, I think I got this when GusVilla wasn't really very well known. I mean, they were known locally, but they've grown tremendously since I did a review on this necklace. So I had only one flaw in this chain, and that one flaw was where the filing wasn't as good on one of the links. It's barely noticeable, but right there you're gonna see like a little bit of unfinished, like it didn't file down all the way right there. You can see it's nothing too crazy or anything like that, but these Cuban links are never going to be perfect. Chain is still beautiful. You know, wearing silver, it'll dull out on you. As you can see right here, it's a little bit tarnished up inside the lock area, there. Not too bad. Usually when your chain tarnishes, it starts to look kind of like a bronze. You can see this still has a shine to it a little bit there. I use these cleaning cloths. These right here. These get tarnished off. You can use baking soda, but I didn't use the baking soda. I like to actually clean these. As you can see, it's around this little ball here. It's a little bit like a little tarnish there, but you can use to get rid of that if you're that anal about necklaces or silver or anything like that. You get a little brush like this, and you can just wipe in there. This is Clocks and Colors silver polishing silver polisher. Comes with a little brush there. You probably seen this in one of the videos I did before. So yeah, that's how you do it. Nothing too serious. This is the Clocks and Colors. This is a Cuban link style, more of a bubble style Cuban link bracelet. On this right here, the links are a little smaller than the rest of the necklace. This one here is a little bigger, but that's because it's like they're twisting it. It starts out from that end, so it's tighter probably there when they first started twisting it. Okay, so I'm just bringing an update video of the necklace. Someone requested for an update, and this is what it's looking like. Still shiny, still looking good. Take care of it. This is like if you just get tired of wearing gold. I mean, you can wear silver with certain shirts and stuff. It depending on the color. If you're not in the mood to wear gold, there's Cubans in white gold, so you don't really have to wear a silver one. You can get a white gold necklace as well. But I don't know, I was curious. You know, living in Miami, most of the Cubans do not wear Cuban links in silver. That's just something that they don't do. I'm not sure if there's some that wear white gold ones or not, but it's kind of different, you know. I mean, I get a lot of compliments from Cubans about this chain, so like, they do like it. Some of them prefer gold only, and some of them like the fact that they do make these now in silver. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with wearing silver. Gold is more expensive. To be honest with you, this necklace costs $400. That would be expensive to some. So it depends on where you get it made. It's probably gonna come with a little bit of a premium. And this little bracelet here that's silver actually costs more than the chain because of, you know, the labor and the craftsmanship in it. So yeah, guys, just a quick review. Just wanted to show you guys that. Still holding up. I use this right here to keep it clean. I use these buffering cloths or polishing cloths. Sometimes I'll scrub it with some solution. I forgot the name of the other solution, but I'll put the link in the description. I clean these a lot of different ways. Sometimes with dish detergent, sometimes with cleaning wipes. The 925 doesn't need that much maintenance because this is the 6mm. Right now it's a little dull because I've been wearing it for a couple days. So that's the other thing about silver. You might want to get it plated with some rhodium or something like that. Just show you the difference in the shine right now. You're not gonna notice it. You see, you can't see any shine. I mean, the lighting is very off, so. All right, so now, you guys already know. I'm gonna buff it up a little bit. And then you're gonna see it shine. So there we go. I just put some polish on it. Well, I just hit it with the polishing rag. So I just kind of ran it through the buffer. Makes a little noise here. And if you think the lock is show you a little bit of the lock. Still locks in. Sometimes you give these just a little bit of pull. Lift it just a little bit. Don't lift it too much though. You can break those. Get you a nice polishing rag. I have the Mayflower one. It comes with a polishing rack on the inside. And then the outside, just you use this one just to wipe it down. It's not scratched up like crazy or anything like it. Still looks the same as the first time. Well, I just wanted me a custom made silver piece because I won't be wearing any gold out here in these streets. People will try to mug you for those. And I'd rather stack my gold. So yeah, it's still shiny, still looks good. But if I do wear a silver chain, I do prefer it to be in Cuban. This one right here is a machine made one. Not all Cubans are made the same. Now this one right here, Clocks and Colors. This is a Canadian jewelry brand. Now they take really good attention to detail on these. The craftsmanship is impeccable. You can see at this side was actually filed down to go across your wrist to lay down nice and flat. And then on the opposite side, it's nice and bubbly. Not too bad for silver jewelry, man. I wish they made this one in gold. I would have bought this in gold. It's just that they market more and they lean towards more of the silver category. I'm thinking about getting this dipped in gold from the Gus. But the thing about that is, I'm not sure how good of a shine gold plated stuff over time will hold up. Because sometimes this right here, it dulls out a little bit when you wear it. So you just polish it. And I'm not sure if polishing something that's plating would give it a shine or just rub it out. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get it triple coated. I don't know which one yet. I do want to do this one. I think the bracelet will look nice in gold. Yeah, there's the lock right there. And you pull these two. If you want to open it, press these two down and pull it out. Really unique lock too, man. This kind of reminds me of a cross, but it's the North Star. $480. Who would have thought silver would cost that much? $480 for this bracelet. Probably more now since the tariffs. This necklace right here cost me $400, I think $510. And you're like, oh man, that's a ripoff. And actually, it's the labor. And this the 6mm, these go for like 100 or something though. So you probably can get one of these dipped in gold. I mean, gold plating has been around for centuries, but I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'm from Miami, so some people don't really like, they look down on it, but it all depends on how much gold is going for. Right now gold is going for a lot, so having it plated is actually going to be a benefit for this. Yeah. So like, say like if you were to dip this in gold with the prices nowadays, and say if I got this 150 links plated and then sold it as a silver, gold over silver chain, I'll get more for it because of the gold on it. Yeah. So no matter what, if you get one solid gold, save up for it. You wear it to graduations or special parties, somewhere where you want to get robbed, or you just go ahead and plate it. And if you get robbed, you only got $100 and something in gold taken away from you, and the necklace, instead of getting $17,000 worth of gold on your neck taken. So yeah. And also, there's not too many jewelry shops you can go in and just say, hey, let me get a Cuban link, Miami Cuban link that's filed like this. Yeah, that handmade look. All Cubans look nice though, but the Cuban style in Miami is more flat and filed differently. So it's a custom-made silver chain, man. It's not like you bought it from the flea market, Chinatown, something like that. So yeah, that's my update on this silver chain. For the guy who asked for an update, shout out to you, man. So yeah, hopefully you liked the video.